Hello my beauty queen, are you still struggling on how to style your head wrap by yourself? Don't worry, this beautiful style you can do it by yourself without stress. It's very quick and easy to achieve. So come with your asoke, let's do this beautiful head wrap style together. Okay, so you're going to use 2 layers of asoke. This my own is 4 layers, so because of the style I want to achieve, I have to fold it into 2. So if you don't have 2 layers, if you have 4 layers, do the same thing I did, fold it into 2 and it will give you exactly 2 layers. So you make some plating. After you make the plating, if you are making your plating, pick it gradually, place your thumb at the back and the other fingers you use it to grab it together and you get the plating very right. So after I did that, I place it on my head from the back, then I bring it forward. After I arrange the plating, I use the other part to divide the plating into 2, which is the place I printed. I divide it into 2 with the other part which I did not print. Then I tuck in the excess at the back. So you can do the same thing, you just tuck in the excess and arrange it with your pin, so that it will be neat and not rough. So after you finish pinning it, you come back to the front and your egele is almost ready. I'm doing this video very slow so that you'll be able to achieve it without stress. So you not say it's too far, that's why I'm doing it very slow so you can achieve it very quick. So you spread the place you pleated out and you use your pin to secure it down. And if you are pinning, please be careful so that you don't injure yourself with pin very carefully. So you pin yourself. I pin the first part out and I did the same thing to the other part. So if you have gotten to this part, that means you're almost through with your head wrap. So look at it, this is the first part and we'll go to the other part. We also pin it down and that is it. Your egele is ready. Look at it, I've not finished it but it's beautiful already. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and follow for more beautiful head wrap tutorial. I get you covered. If you think you will look for it later, just save it so that it will be easy for you to access when you need it. So look at it very well. This other part, I just use my pin and I join it to the first part I pin, and that is it. It's very quick and easy to achieve. So the egele is ready. So tell me, what do you think about it? Isn't it beautiful? Look elegant and classy. You see it? Very, very beautiful. Yes, I know it's beautiful. So if you think it's very difficult for you to do, just keep practicing it and you become very good in it. With time, you'll become a master in it. So look at it very well. Look at it at the back. Look at it very well and look at it at the front. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.